how to create a travel planner in Notion. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Notion template and then create an account. So here you can see different types of templates for personal work purposes. So if you're looking for travel planner template, you have to look for personal and click this travel planner here. Then you will have the preview of your travel planner template. So this is what it looks like. You can look for other template if you want. But once you're okay with this, then what you're going to do is to click this again template. So as you can see, you have this template already, and all you have to do is to edit the part which you think is not necessary and replace it with the keyword or terms that you want to use for your itinerary here in Notion. So as you can see, I am okay with this. I just have to edit some part. I just want to add like things to see, things to eat, accommodations, something like that. So this is what it looks like, and I already added a template here in my Notion. Now, if you want to change your cover photos, you can see here. The good thing about this Notion is that you can change the cover photo, you can change a logo, or you can add some emoji styles and whatsoever. You can add whatever you like here. So I have uploaded this picture as a motivation for me to travel. So I insert and import this from my device and add this to my Notion. For your profile or logo, then you can change this whatever you want. But for me, I'm okay with that. That is like a traveling bag. So to start with the travel planner, you can set or you can add something here below your travel planner. You can add like travel to Hong Kong. So it's already given here. And what you're going to do is to delete or replace this. So if you want to delete the whole part, you just have to simply drag all and you will see this 9 dots. Then look for the delete icon. So you can delete which part you want to delete and you can just simply let the other portion right here if you think that this is necessary. Okay, but before going to this to-dos or to this table view template, let's add first, like if you want to add an image, and all you have to do is to type slash, scroll down and look for image, or if you want to add a video or bullet list or whatever view you want. So I have added an image here. This is like a Google map. This is where I want to stay in Hong Kong. So you can simply add this so that it could serve as a motivation or it's like a map for you, a guide. Okay, so I added Google Map. Now I want to replace this or delete this part. So you can click hide or you can delete. And you can also simply delete all of this and add a table view. Okay, so as you can see, I deleted one by one. You just have to click this 9 dots on the left side and then delete it one by one. So to add again, all you have to do is to type slash, scroll down, and you will see here options like if you want to add bullet list, if you want to add table view, if you want to add gallery view or whatsoever. You just have to type slash, scroll down, and you will see features and options there. So for the first, we have here the Google Map, and the second, we have here day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So as you can see, if you want to change your background, I mean, if you want to change this to white, okay, white mode or bright mode, not the dark one. So you just have to go to settings and change this to bright. So I hope that it's clear to you, or if you prefer the dark mode, then it's fine. Okay, so I have here the itinerary below. And all you have to do is to simply edit, like change everything here to whatever you want. For example, for your itinerary, you want to list down the things that you want to see in that place, specifically in Hong Kong. So here it's like a table view. So what you're going to do is to replace above whatever you want to replace or add here, such as things to see, day, location, notes, and actually everything is up to you. For this tutorial, my itinerary includes only the day, location, transportation, time, and notes. So these are the things that I want to see if I want to travel in Hong Kong. And I can write it like for day one, day two, day three below. Okay. So apart from that, I have also here location. So I can add a Google map here. Okay, so for location, I added the Google map. So here it is. So if I want to go on that place, I just have to click this Google map. Then it will take me directly to that link for transportation, bus, for time, and for notes. That means what are the things that I can see there, the remarks and whatsoever. The good thing about Notion is that you can change the color of each section so that it would be easier for you to identify or to know which one is day one, day two, day three, day four. Same goes with your itinerary. If you want to change the background color of the things you see, such as the location, the transportation, the time, and the notes, everything is up to you. All you have to do is to click this dots. If you tap each section here, then you can change the color and the background of your itinerary. Okay, so this is just an example on how to create an itinerary here on your Notion for the things to see. Now, if you want to add something, feel free. All you have to do is to click new if you want to add page, if you want to add image, or if you want to add text, headings, or whatsoever, to do list, whatsoever. So for the next section, I want to add things to eat. Okay, so I type slash and then I have added table view again. And then I added here things to eat. So same thing with the things to see. I have added the foods that I want to eat once I arrive there, the location, the transportation, time, and the notes. That means what is this food all about so that I have the idea. Actually, you can add more. All you have to do is to click this plus if you want to add something like the cost or, everything is up to you. If you want to add a budget, if you want to add optional, something like that. So that's it. Then you can also change the background color, just what I said earlier. If you tap this new right here, then this means that if you want to be very specific about something, for example, if you want to add budget, if you want to add date, if you want to add location, if you want to add time, if you want to add link, pictures, if you want to mention someone, if you want to assign this to someone, let's just say for this day, you're going to meet this person and you want to add him to your Notion. So you can mention that person if that person is included in your itinerary. So let's just say for this trip, you're about to meet someone. Then you can mention that someone's email address to your Notion. So that person will be notified about your meetup, about your travel. This is just an example. You can change this to meeting, meetup, seminar, something like that. You can attach files and you can, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can mention someone. Okay, you can add Google Map. Okay, that's the good thing about Notion. Everything is here compared to other platform. You can just simply edit everything here. You have the full control of everything, such as mentioning someone, sharing this to someone, adding someone to your Notion template. Okay, so you can add more, you can explore more. But if you want to really create an itinerary for your travel, I highly suggest that you would try Notion. Okay, so I really hope that you have learned something from this. This is just a very basic tutorial on how to use Notion for your itinerary for your travel. So yes, you can create more, you can add more, and you can also add logistics if you want. You can add video, you can add page, okay? You can add everything here to make your travel successful, okay? To make it easier for you. So that's it, and I do really hope that this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.